merong nagme-makeup class sa akin sa Asian class ko. Dito sa MJD Kitchen, the Center for Asian Culinary Studies. Kaya, refresher class with 2 persons. Dami namin nagawa. And the exercise is copying and handling the high pressure walk. Wow! Iba talaga yung walk fry. Delicious.